Yo, it's Chris O from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia, the professional tiler. I've been tiling professionally for 35 years and this is the type of work I do. I'm just finishing off now. I'm doing two colours of silicone, so I've got two guns going. We go inside with the white, and we do that first, and then I go inside here with my white. Where's my knife? I've got a little bit of grout up there, so we'll just remove that. Just like that. Just like that, everyone. Cool. A little bit of grout there, we'll just remove that. All you DIYers, there's little tricks that hopefully you're learning. You always be very careful when using a knife around your black aluminium, because if you accidentally touch that on the face, it will scratch. Right, so we go inside here first. The reason for that is because I spray my soapy water in there. I don't do around here first, because when I'm spraying that, my soapy water will go into there and I'd be stuffed until it dried. So to do it all in one hit, we just go whooshka. Just like that. Hope you can see nicely. The camera is following my eyes. And I hope your eyes are following the camera. That's the inside done. We then give it a gentle squirt with soapy water, not to get it everywhere. Is that oh, that's spraying. Cool. See how that works? Neat, eh? You're not fluffing around with a paper towel or This is what the professionals do. You'll get the hang of it, which way to put your paddle pop stick after a little while. Can you see? I hope. See how I just wiped it off the face of the tile then? Just by having it flat like that, running up. Soapy water. Oh, left-handed. Now we're going bloody left-handed. My God, no. Sometimes it's just a little easier. Now that I've done the inside, I can do the outside. I hope you've picked up a little trick, DIYers. You can then do it on your own and it'll bring your tiling up. Swap hands. It'll then bring your tiling up $1 million. It just, good silicone just helps to, well, it finishes off good tiling. Now we go around the outside edge. This is your quirk I always talk about. This was a very good tile and it didn't chip. But some tiles can chip, but you don't go running out and hiring a wet saw. You just give it a bit of a quirk. I used to have a nice big wet saw, but I sold it because I never used it. It was always too much hassle. So I sold it. Unnecessary. Unless you're doing a lot of marble. I used to do a lot of marble years ago, but it's sort of porcelain has taken right over. It's a lot harder wearing. You don't have to seal it. You don't have to do any of that. Whooshka. Give it a spray, dude. Now, you see, if I did that first, I'd be spraying soapy water in there. Nice. That's a little bit too wide. I'll come back to that. I don't like that. There we go, left-handed again, Jesus. Right. With it sticking out, I'll say it again, that is called, in the building industry, a quirk. When it sticks out and you've always got a point to finish to. DIYers, hopefully you've learned something. Another thing that I'm going to harp on about where's the cold? Now that I've siliconed it, you do not have to split your tiles. There's your fall, and those tiles are not split. Watch the soapy water. There's no split tiles there. So if you know what you're doing, there's no need to split tiles. No way. I cringe every time I see tiles split in a shower. There you have it, folks. Give us a thumbs up if you would, please. A thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the flip side. Hooroo!